Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unbagging our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I will leave all the information down below for this as well as the other tiers of Ipsy, okay? What we're going to do is jump right in and see what's in this bag. I know that's why you're here, so let's just get to it. Okay, so this is our Glam Bag Plus. Okay, anybody remember that 90s movie? Okay, first thing I pulled out is cheers to 10 years of Ipsy. Okay, and it says whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting, or wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Okay, work, school, life. All right, the first item that we have is by Murad, and this is the clarifying oil-free water gel, and it says hydrate your way to clearer skin. Okay, and this is a 1.6 fluid ounce size or 47 milliliters. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $44, and it says hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates while salicylic acid exfoliates and refines for balanced, non-greasy finish. Okay, now let's just see what the packaging itself looks like. Okay, and this is it right here. I do love their packaging. It's quite interesting. The expiration date on this one is 12 months after you open the package. Okay, so this one is item number 1. All right, so let's move on to the next item that I have is Vegan by Happy Skin, and this says Original Skin Essence Toner. All right, and let's see what it has to say about this one. Calm your complexion post-cleanse while prepping your skin for serums and moisturizer with this toner. It uses a blend of antioxidant-rich and skin-soothing ingredients like aloe vera juice, chamomile, and calendula. This is a 100 milliliter size, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $49.48. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well. And I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it. And I do have some toner that I am currently using. So we'll let you know when we start using this and how it works out. It's going to be real interesting to try to read this so that I can share that kind of information with you. But nonetheless, that is item number 2. Then the next one we have is, this one is by Laura Geller. And this is the Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. The shade I have is called Toffee, And this is a 0.32 ounce size. And it is, like I said, a color correcting foundation. Now, the description says, think of it as a color corrector meets foundation. The cream formula brightens and balances very deep skin with neutral undertones while providing buildable and long-lasting coverage. It says apply all over your face using a foundation brush. Okay, this is going to be interesting when it's time to do our create, review, and first impression. So let's just really take a look at it and see. I call this smart makeup because it adjusts to your skin perfectly each and every time. I'm very interested to try this. And this one has a 16-month shelf life as well. Now, let's just open it up. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. Here it is. Okay, and it kind of looks like a mineral foundation or even a bronzer, so to speak. Look at that. I just want to take a look. Oh. So I did put it on. And I'm trying to see if I do indeed see a difference in this one versus, okay, yes, we do. Look at that. Okay. All right, I'm very interested to see how this is going to work on my skin when it's that time. Okay, and this one is item number 3. All right, and the next one that we have is, it looks like it's by Mishka Beauty. And this is the Sheer Lip Shine Plus Lip Balm in Madame. Okay, and it says this is a 2.8 gram size. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $22, and it says this versatile balm coats lips in sheer and shiny mauve color while helping to provide long-lasting moisture, softness, and comfort too. Okay? It says apply directly onto lips for the perfect sheer tint of color in just one swipe. Now, can we just take a moment and appreciate the packaging on this lip balm? Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at that shade. Okay, I wish I did not have this lipstick on because I certainly I want you to know I can feel it right through. Oh my God, that feels so good. And it smells amazing. Okay, definitely feeling this one. All right, I like. All righty, so this one is item number 4. All right, the next item that we had, this one is Neogen Dermalogy, and it's a clear, soothing foam cleanser. And it says this one is a 100 milliliter size or 3.38 ounces, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $19. And this is indeed a face wash. Okay, it has a 12-month shelf life on it, and it says this cleanser is packed with acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and centella extract to help target breakouts by removing excess oils, eliminating dirt and bacteria, and calming redness and irritation. All right, and it says this cleanser has a refreshing herbal scent that gives your bathroom an ultra chill spa vibe. How about that? Okay, I'm here for it. All right, so that is the last item that came in my bag. Now, I did receive something else. So I'm gathering, this might have been, I know what it is. Okay, this is before I said I was going to hold off on getting any more brushes. This one is the Shayna B Miami. And this is the 5-piece brush set. Okay. So let's just take a look at it. These are really nice. Very, very nice. This is the 5-piece set. It feels nice and dense. I like this pencil brush. And let's see. Okay, this one says it's an all-over shadow brush. This one is the tapered blending brush. This one is the precision blending brush. This one is the pencil brush. And this one is the setting brush. Okay, so these are the 5 that do come in this set. Okay, now this is becoming quite interesting because yet another one, we have almost all cleansing products. Almost all cleansing products. And even if there are items in which we chose, did I choose this month or did I'm pretty sure that they chose for me. Because I don't know if I would have chosen this. It's very interesting, but I don't know if I would have chosen it because I don't know if I would have purchased a powder foundation without really trying out the shade in the store first. But nonetheless, I'm very excited to try it and see what it's like. So we're probably going to have to team up with something else when we do our create review and first impression because these are the only 2 products that we would be using. Okay, so maybe we'll use something out of one of our other boxes, although the B box, that one was mostly skincare as well. Yeah, pretty much. So we'll see what happens. We will figure it out. Okay. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged, I was getting ready to say unboxed, but unbagged our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, okay, for the month of September. Now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,